Hello everybody, my name is Capera and I am the physical therapist here at the Conde Center. For the month of September, we've decided to talk to you guys a little bit about some of the impacts that an auto accident can have on your life. So typically after an auto accident, it's an injury to probably your head or your neck area. If you go to the hospital, typically they'll take some sort of imaging, maybe a CT and X-ray, looking for any sort of fractures or damage to your head or neck. Typically, right after that, you may have some shoulder damage after maybe the impact of the car hitting you, having some impact onto your shoulder. So in that case, typically they'll give you at the hospital a shoulder sling and tell you to ice your shoulder just to protect it and let your tissues, such as your ligaments and your muscles, heal. Really, that's where I can come in after you've been discharged from the hospital and show you some gentle exercises and some ways that you can get your shoulder moving again and get back to your regular life. So things that may become difficult with your shoulder in a sling, such as getting your clothes on in the morning, doing your laundry, cooking, cleaning, those things that you need to do every day become difficult when your shoulder's in a sling. So really what I can help you is by giving you exercises to give you that function back and help you get out of that damaged state and get you back onto your feet. So if you have been in a car accident and if you have had shoulder pain, come here to the Conde Center. We'll do our very best to get you back on your feet where you need to be.